All right, folks, so today we have Tenorio tuna in olive oil. And I just want to say this Tenorio guy, or whoever he is, last time I tried some of the canned tuna by this brand, it was literally some of the best. So Tenorio buddy, you know how to make some serious tuna or sardines. Let's give these a try. All right, as you can see, these are fillets. Look at this, look at that, look at this chunk. Holy macaroni.
Yeah, there's only two big pieces.
Yeah, this is a serious chunk. All right, I'm gonna just take a good bite here.
I'm just gonna get a smaller piece if I don't like, just in case if I don't like it.
They're quite hard, actually.
Yeah.
They're a little drier than expected. The taste,
Really good.
yeah, they taste really good. I think they're kind of just a standard olive oil taste, but the tuna tastes so fresh and the chunks are so kind of hard and big. They are just a little bit on the dry side, but I'm not 100% sure that really matters that much. Let's take another bite here.
Yeah.
Yeah, seriously. Tenorio does not disappoint. Like most of these sardines or canned tuna, it can be a little more difficult to review the standard olive oil taste because most of it kind of tastes similar. And it's hard to truly find a bad canned tuna or sardine unless you're just buying the straight up cheapest kind of slop at the store that, you know, literally looks like cat food. But these are legitimate chunks, huge pieces of fish. It's not overly salty. But I would say these are definitely some of the toughest, kind of driest, and most difficult to chew tuna I've had yet. I wouldn't really say it's difficult to chew, obviously, it's just tuna, but it has like a real bite to it, you know?
Yeah, it's harder to chew than like other tunas and sardines.
So I think this one might be a little better mixed with something else, and then you just got one little can here, and the dryness really doesn't matter that much. Just make sure you have something to drink, maybe.
Yeah. And this would be like maybe a good snack, maybe if you're like hiking or biking or something like that.
Yeah.
Like a small little snack.
So yeah, if you see a Tenorio, these were purchased in the Azores of Portugal, the islands. I highly recommend checking this one out. We still got a whole bunch more here to review, as you can see. I'm gonna try to plow through them. This is top notch. The previous Tenorio was still a little better. It's really, this one is just so dense. It's so kind of filling. It's hard to, it's almost like a steak, literally. Yeah, in some ways, if you grilled a tuna steak, it would be more similar to this than a sardine because it would be kind of dry, a little drier and tougher. So yeah, let me know if you try Tenorio, if you have some other ones to recommend, or you have canned seafood that is your favorite and you want us to review it.